Today we're going to be going over the Blofin exchange and how to use if you're a brand new trader. This is my only recommended exchange. So when people ask me, Matt, what do you trade crypto on? What do you recommend? For not only US based users, but any user worldwide. So wherever you are watching this, I would recommend Blofin. Now, I've tried many other exchanges in the past. I've used Binance, I've used Binance US, I've used Bybit, and I've used MEXC. I would definitely not use any of those exchanges. In fact, I got scammed around 7K from MEXC. They also completely shut down my account, took away all my affiliates, and permanently blocked me before I could even KYC. Bybit is also holding money for me before the KYC. They will not get back to me. They've taken my money, so definitely stay away from those two. But so far, I've had zero issues with Blofin. I've been using them for around a year now. In this video, I'm gonna walk through the exchange, how to use it. Let's jump into it. So the first thing I need you to do if you're watching this video is click the second link in the description below, okay? It's gonna bring you to the free Discord, okay? Not selling you anything. Go to the free Discord and go to the channel called Blofin Partnership. Now, I'm partnered with Blofin to give you guys a lifetime discount on maker taker fees. Meaning if you don't go through our link, you're gonna have to pay more fees to Blofin. So it doesn't make sense why you wouldn't join through our link. You literally just save money. So go to this channel and press this link right here, okay? That is going to bring you to Blofin. You'll see Blofin, EzTrades, which is my trading group, and then you'll see this 10% cash back here. That's how you know that you clicked the correct link. This means anytime you enter or exit a trade, 10% of the fees that would go to the exchange actually go back to your futures account. So you're saving money on fees, you're getting the cash back. Okay, next what you want to do is you want to log in. So I'll make a new account here. Okay, then we're gonna press I've read and agreed to Blofin terms of service, blah, blah, blah. Let's sign up. Okay, cool. Then they're gonna send a verification code to that email that you signed up with. Okay, here we go. So I got the code right here. I want to copy this code. Since I already have an account with this email, I can't make a new one, but that would be the sign up process. I should also note that there is no KYC. This exchange is non-KYC, meaning you don't have to verify your credentials, which is another huge plus, especially for those of you guys in the United States. In the New York tri-state area, you may have to use a VPN. It kind of depends on where your IP is. But if you're in my group, if you reach out to me, I can actually whitelist your IP so you won't have that issue. Okay, so I'm in one of my accounts now. Boom, we're inside. This is what it should look like. Go over here to account and security. Here it's gonna show your UID number, the email you used to sign up. I would recommend having an anti-phishing code and also two-factor authentication on if you want, just to further secure your account. Okay, you really don't want to be worrying about anything over here. Okay, this is just like your account stuff. You want to go to assets. Okay, so here we are. I'm in my account overview. I can see my total equity here. This means I have 5,820 USDT in this account. To get money into the Blofin account to start, you need to deposit through an exchange like Coinbase.com, Crypto.com, Kraken, any one of those three will be fine. Now you can deposit from other wallets if you have money in there as well. Let's say you're starting from zero, you want to start trading. How do you get money into Blofin? Create a Coinbase or Crypto.com account. Once you verify, you can then press deposit here. Okay, I would recommend always either USDT or USDC. I'll just do USDT. Use Tron, it's the cheapest in fees. If it's from Coinbase, you're gonna have to use ERC20, so we'll do ERC20. And then it will give you this deposit address here. What you wanna do is copy this address, email it to yourself, and then on a different device or on a different tab, log into Coinbase or Crypto.com and withdraw from that exchange to this address here, okay? Very important, you always double check the address and always send a test first, just to make sure. Okay, now that we have money in the account, it's time to actually start trading. So there's two types of trading you want to be focused on, right? Spot and futures. I've already made a video covering the difference between these two. I always recommend a mix of both spot and futures. Spot is just buying, holding, and then selling with no leverage. Futures trading is with margin, okay? That's where you see those crazy P&Ls. You can leverage the money in your account to trade with more money. That said, you can also lose a lot of money really fast. Let's go to futures here. Sneak peek here, we are in the process of beta testing our copy trading in our VIP group. So really, really cool stuff. We're just testing this for now. So far, the results are really, really freaking good. Now, if you guys don't know how to trade, click the first link in the description below to join my pro group. You guys will learn directly from myself and other pro analysts, get the tools that we use on a day-to-day basis, and literally follow our trades to start if you really don't know, how to trade. You want to be charting on TradingView. So let's go to TradingView. A lot of people think that you trade on TradingView. No, you don't trade on TradingView. This is where you chart, okay? This is where you do your technical analysis, you find those key levels, and then you actually execute those orders on the Blofin exchange. So let's say I want to take a long on BTC. There are two types of trades we can take. We can take a market order, which means you are buying at the current price, which is $96,787, or you can do a limit order, meaning if price comes to X level, maybe 89K, I will enter a trade. If you're on a higher time frame, you can set limit orders. If you're on a lower time frame, maybe look for a market entry. In this case, we're going to enter a market entry. So at the top here, we see our leverage, right? So we have long leverage set to 3x. You can use anywhere from 1x to 150x. I recommend for new traders, don't use more than 10x leverage. So in this case, we're going to use 10x leverage, okay? Next, we're going to press TP/SL. Then we're going to press this percent sign right here. This will show us exactly how much we are risking when we enter the trade. Since this is a small account, I want to risk, let's say $20. You should risk anywhere from 2 to 3% of your overall portfolio with stop loss included. Now, I always start with my stop loss first, okay? Because my stop loss will dictate how much money I am losing. Again, leverage doesn't really matter. It's all about position size. That being said, if you use a higher leverage, you have a higher chance of getting liquidated, which you don't want to happen. So let's say our stop loss in this case is going to be 90,000. Okay, nice round number. We're going to press 90,000. And then we want to mess around with the USDT until it gets to that $20 that we are losing. Okay, let's try 1,000. Okay, if we enter with 1,000 USDT, okay, that's $100 before the 10x leverage is added. We would be losing $70. That's a little too much, right? So at $300, we would be losing around $20. So this would be proper risk management. Okay, if we want to set our take profit, we can do that as well. Let's say I want to take profit at $115,000. So we'd be risking $20 to make $55 on this trade if we were to take a long position. So we're only actually risking $30 of our account, but we're leveraging, that $29 on 10x leverage. Okay, so we're not trading with 300 of our own money, and then we're going to leverage that, right? So this looks like a pretty good long idea. Let's enter the long. So I'm going to press long. Obviously, if we were going short, we'd press short. Boom. Okay, and then confirm. Now we're in our long position. If you want to move your stop loss to break even, you can actually drag this bar here, right? So let's say I want to move my stop loss a little bit higher, somewhere right there. Boom, now we're only risking $10, okay? If I want to close a trade, I can close it right here. Or what I like to do is go down here to amount and I can close partials. So let's say I'm in profit. I want to take some off the table. I can maybe close 50% of that trade and press close. If I want to close 100% of the trade, I can press close all. And if I want to change the take profit or stop loss, I can press that little notepad here, right? TP/SL, press that, and I can modify that order. I can change the stop loss or I can change the take profit. Okay, let's say I want to enter a limit order. You'd be doing the same exact thing. Enter the price that you want to get in at. Let's say $90,000 I want to enter a long. So when price reaches $90,000, I will enter a long. Again, press this, TP/SL. I'm gonna put my stop loss to $88,000. Okay, right there. Boom. So if price reaches $90,000, I will enter the trade with $1,000 total in USDT. Obviously, that's including the leverage. I'm risking $100 of my own money. But again, since I have a stop loss in place, my risk management is the exact same. I'm only risking $20 or roughly $20 per trade. So the cost and the leverage doesn't really matter. This is what I want people to understand. Leverage doesn't matter. It's all about position size. When price hits your stop loss, you want to lose the exact same amount of your overall portfolio. Okay, so we're going to enter this limit order, press long, confirm. And you can see here, once price reaches this level, we will be entering a long position. And once that level gets hit, your stop loss will automatically be in place. I'm going to close this out for now. That is it for futures. Let's go to spot now. I like to do total, right? USDT. Let's say I want to market buy, 100 USDT. Oh, actually, I just realized we have $0 in our spot account. So that means we have to press this button right here, okay? And we can transfer money from our funding account or from our futures account to your spot account. So I can see I have $4,920 in my funding account. Let's say I want to move 1,000 of that to my spot account. I simply press 1,000 and then confirm. Boom. Now I have $1,000 to trade with inside of my spot account, okay? Press 1,000 USDT. I want to buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, buy, confirm. And then if I want to sell it, I can go sell. 100%. I'm selling this amount. I'm going to sell my Bitcoin. Okay, so another thing I want to point out as well, because I think people are going to get confused with that. When you deposit money into your Blofin account to start, it will come up in your funding, meaning you can't trade with it. So all you have to do is go to transfer money from your funding to your futures account if you want to trade with leverage, or to your spot account. Don't worry about this, okay? They earn. You don't have to worry about that. So that's how you actually move it into, the designated futures or spot if you want to trade with it. Okay, that is it for the Blofin exchange. That is the basics of, how to load money onto your account and how to start trading with it. Now, again, I urge you guys, if you're new to trading, don't jump into this thinking you know what you're doing, thinking you're going to be profitable. You're most likely going to lose all of your money because you don't know risk management, you don't have a trading strategy in place, and you're going to get wrecked. I'm here to help you guys. click the first link in the description below. We have one of the highest success rates out of any trading group. Education is always first. You need to actually learn the skill of trading. You're not going to jump into this and get rich quick. That is not how trading works. It's a very difficult profession, and if it was easy, everyone would do it. If you guys found value from this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.